Hello children, good morning all of you. Welcome to the virtual classes presented by Jet Kids. So dear student, today we are going to see the English period of class 2 and today we are going to learn about the grammar. Yes, so what we are going to learn about the grammar? So let us see, and that means this is our topic. Yes, and today's our topic is that is lesson number 9, comparison. Okay, so what is the name of our today's topic? Lesson number 9, comparisons. So what is mean by comparison? See, there is a one word in the word comparison. Yes, so compare means we are comparing the things. Okay, between we do the comparison between two things. Okay, suppose smaller or bigger. Yes, one is small, other is smaller. One thing is big, other is bigger, like that. So this we are going to discuss in detail about the comparison. So see, we will start with our starting activity, that is let's get started. Okay, so see, read the sentences and circle the words which end in er. So see what we have to do, children. So see, read the sentences and circle the words which end in er. Okay, so my friend has a new school bag. Okay, so see, so first sentence is my friend has a new school bag. Okay, see the picture, you can see the picture. It is newer than my school bag. See, my friend has a new school bag and it is newer than my school bag. So listen carefully. My friend has a new school bag, okay, and it is newer than my school bag. Means I also have a school bag and my friend also have a school bag, but my friend's school bag is more new than me. Yes, than my school bag. So newer. See, concentrate on the word newer. Number 2 sentence is I have a new cricket bat. Okay, what is the sentence? I have a new cricket bat. It is stronger than his cricket bat. Okay, I have a new cricket bat and it is stronger than his cricket bats. Okay, so means so listen, I have a new cricket bat also, means like I have a new bag, with along with bag I have also bat also cricket, and it is stronger than his cricket bag. His cricket bat means my friend's cricket bag. Okay, so my bat is more strong, means it is a stronger. Okay, so I hope you understood both the sentences. So what we have to do, we have to read the sentences and circle the words which end in er. So now find the words in these two sentences, which words that ends in er or whose ending spelling is er. So see, newer, okay, in the first sentence and stronger in the second sentence. So see, I have circled these two words. Okay, you have to also circle. So let us see the next part. I hope you understood the comparison. Now see, these are the two sentences. Okay, see, my friend is taller than me. Okay, my friend is taller than me. Okay, but I am faster than him. Okay, see, I am speaking about my friend. Okay, in this sentence. So my friend is taller than me. Okay, so my friend is taller than me, but I am faster than him. Faster means I work fast, or I run fast, or I walk fast, so my speed is more than him. So see, here also we are doing comparison between I and my friend. Okay, so like we first of all we compare we do the comparison between school bag. Okay, school bag of my and my friend. Then we do the comparison of cricket bat. Okay, then we here they do the comparison between height. Okay, my height and my friend's height. So see children, and the last sentence is, see, our classroom is better than their classroom. See, our classroom is better than their classroom. So see, here they compare about the classroom also. Okay, so see what are the words which end in er. So see the sentences. Okay, so see, taller. Taller is the word which end in a er. So it shows a comparison. Now classroom is better than their class. So see children, our classroom is better than their classroom. So better, this word is also ending with the letters er. So let us circle this also. So now we do the comparison, means we compare. Okay, so we are seeing by the qualities or the features of the both the things, both of my and my friend. Okay, so I hope you understood this. So let us move forward. So let us see the next slide. Okay, so see, each of the words you circle, each of the words you circle are describing words. Okay, they compare two naming words. Okay, so see, each of the words you circle are describing words. Okay, they compare two naming words, like, okay, and look at these sentences. Now there are two sentences. Okay, so see, and you have to trace on the underline and the dark color words. Okay, so number one is, he is taller than his brother. Okay, what is number one sentence? He is taller than his brother. Okay, and number two sentence is, a tortoise is slower than a hare. Okay, so taller word and slower word, they are printed in a black ink. Okay, so see, these words are ending with er. They are showing us the comparison between he and his brother, and the comparison between the tortoise and the hare. Okay, so, and again one word is underlined, and what is that word? That word is than, than, than. Okay, than means he is taller than whom? Than his brother. Means we are, when we do the comparison, then we use the words which ends in er, and also we use the word than, than. Okay, means we are comparing. So whose comparison we are doing, that we are writing initially, and with whom we are doing comparison, that we are writing after the word than. So I hope you understood these sentences. Let us see more sentences here. Okay, so see, again few sentences are there in your book. Okay, okay, so see, number 3, Vikas is. So once again we will see this sentence number 3. Yes, Vikas is smarter than his brother. Okay, so see the word smarter. Okay, and than, we trace on these two words. Okay, number 4 is, this door is stronger than that one. Okay, so see, this door is stronger than that one. Okay, so see, so these two words are written in a black ink. Okay, and this smarter and stronger. Okay, so these are the comparing words. Okay, and then we have to use. So see, once again we will see in detail. The words in the bold are describing words. The words in the bold are describing words that compare two people or things. That what they are comparing? They are comparing, like if we will take the example number 3, that is the Vikas is comparing with his brother, and door is comparing with the another door. Okay, so these are comparing the two people, like Vikas and brother, or the two things, like two doors. Okay, so in this way the words which are in a bold are describing words, and they are comparing with the two people and two things, means how they are. Okay, so they are describing the things. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now see, this is the picture. Okay, so see, the first boy is taller than the second boy, and the tortoise is slower than the hare. Okay, so see, this is the picture which is already in your book. Okay, now see, let us see in detail describing words. Okay, so see, describing words can show comparison. Okay, So we add er at the end of a describing word. Okay, that we have already discussed. Describing words can show comparison. We add er at the end of a describing words. Means long is a describing words. Yes. So longer, tall, taller, short, shorter. Like this we are adding er to the end of the describing words. Okay, for doing comparison. And then THINC, to show comparison between two people or things. Okay, then to show the comparison between two people or things. Always remember that when we do the comparison, er or the than, where we use when we do the comparison between only two people or two things. But if there is a tallest word is there, shortest word is there, longest is word is there, then there is a comparison between all or more than two. Okay, means comparison between the three things, okay, or three people or more than two. Okay, so like in all, like suppose Arjun's handwriting is the best handwriting in the class, means we are comparing in the whole class, that is best. But if we are comparing between two, like Arjun's handwriting is better than Gauri, suppose we will take these two names, then see here we are comparing only with the Gauri, so we are using the word better, so er is there at the end, and than Gauri, like that. So his handwriting is better than Gauri, like that. So er and than we use when we compare the two people or two things. Okay, so I hope you understood what is given in this lesson. So now there is exercise, so let us take the let us try to solve the exercise. Circle the correct words. So what you have to do? You have to circle the correct words. Number 1, an elephant is heavier in bracket or short than a horse. So you already know that. What do you know? So see, here is the picture. Okay, so see the picture is of different thing. Okay, it is of the second number, but now see, an elephant is heavier or shorter than a horse. So imagine, think of the picture of elephant and a horse. So obviously elephant is heavier than a horse. Okay, so let us circle the word heavier. Okay, now number 2, the rabbit's teeth are in bracket bigger or shorter than a rat's. Okay, so see the picture of rabbit and rat. Okay, and rabbit's teeth are obviously bigger than a rat's teeth. Okay, so let us circle the word bigger. Okay, so in this way you have to solve this exercise. Okay, let us see the next. Number 3. Okay, number 4, number 5. Okay, so see number 1. So see, he drives obviously quicker than his driver. Okay, he drives quicker than his driver. Okay, so number 4, her dress is taller or longer than my dress. So dress we can say that it is long. Long word we generally use. So for long we are going to use the word longer. Her dress is longer than my dress. Okay, now this rope is stronger or harder than that one. Okay, than that one. So this rope is stronger or harder than that one. So rope is stronger. Yes, obviously. So let us circle the word stronger. So I hope you understood the answers. Okay, he drives quicker than his driver. Her dress is longer than my dress. This rope is stronger than that one. So let us see the next part. So see, next exercise is fill in the blanks. Okay, so see what is given in this. Fill in the blanks by adding er to the words given in the brackets. So see, wait a minute. So see, fill in the blanks by adding er to the words given in the brackets. So see, in this question they have already given us a word which we have to use in bracket, but what we have to do, we have to simply add er. Okay, so see number 1, this room is than that one, cold. Obviously than is there, so we are going to add the word colder than. This room is colder than that one. Okay, so see, the dining table is than my study table in bracket big. So what we are going to do, we are going to add er. Okay, so while going to add er, the spelling is see, bigger, bigger. Okay, so see, vowel is there before the ending word, that's why the last letter is repeating. Okay, the dining table is bigger than my study table. So I hope you understood this. So let us see the next part or the next sentence, number 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so see, a park is than a garden. In bracket they have given us the word large. Okay, a park is, obviously, yes, what will be the answer? Larger than a garden. Okay, and the next is, so number 4 sentence is what? Grandmother is than mother. Okay, grandmother is blank than mother. In bracket they have given us the word old. So obviously the answer is older, means we have to add only er to the word. So grandmother is older than mother. Okay, so next sentence is 5. He is than me. In bracket short. So we have to add er to the word which is given in the bracket. So the answer will be shorter. He is shorter than me. Okay, so I hope you understood this exercise, how to solve it. Number 6. Okay, 7, 8. Okay, so see, my fingers are than my toes. In bracket they have given us the word long. So obviously my fingers are longer than my toes. Okay, so number 7, a feather is than a pen. So here is here, then it should not be, here should be than. Okay, it is a print mistake, so don't concentrate on that. You have to just focus here. A feather is lighter than a pen. Okay, now number 8, Mohan is than Sham. In bracket the word smart, so we have to add here. So Mohan is smarter than Sham. Okay, Mohan is smarter than Sham. Okay, so I hope you understood how to solve this exercise. So dear children, so see, this is the last part of this video. Okay, let us write. Okay, so this is the last exercise of the lesson number 9, that is the comparison. We are seeing, we are doing the comparison between the two things or the two people. Okay, and the words are the describing words which do the comparison. Okay, and we are also adding than than. So see, let us write means you have to write this. Okay, what you have to write? See, write 3 sentences using these describing words, means you have to write 3 sentences. Okay, so see, add naming words of your own. Of your own means by your own mind, by your own, you can add the naming, 2 naming words. For example, one is done for you. A mouse is shorter than a cat. So mouse and cat they have added. Okay, so see, they have given in number 2 taller than, number 3 bigger than, number 4 longer than. So you have to just fill the blanks by using the naming words. Okay, suppose I am taller than you. Okay, so I am giving this is the example, but what you have to do, you have to add the naming words. I use pronoun, but you have to add naming words. Okay, like Ram is taller than Sham. Okay, Sita is taller than Gita. In this way, so you have to write down, you have to fill these blanks by using naming words, and then try to read the sentences, and at the end you have to use full stop. So dear students, I hope you understood this lesson number 9, comparison. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to solve whenever you are going to watch this video, that time only, that day only, simply you are going to solve all the exercises whatever given in this lesson number 9, comparison. Okay, so stay home, stay safe, take care of you. Okay children, bye.